gentlemen, this is your captain
The
speaking.
ASEAN countries, it's where you should go to meet diverse people and bond with them all. The ASEAN countries, it's your home that keeps us united for generations to come. Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
As the sun dips low behind the trees, a gentle breeze carries the scent of incense through the forest. Hand in hand, they walk slowly toward the temple gates, their footsteps soft against the moss-lined path. The ancient stone carvings seem to whisper blessings from generations past. Inside, the air hums with sacred energy. Bells chime, and distant chanting echoes through the arches. This is not just a place of worship. It is where their journey as one begins.
This place feels so peaceful.
Yes. It feels like every step we take brings us closer to something greater.
Today, we receive a blessing for our marriage. I feel both nervous and excited.
Don't worry. Whatever happens, we'll face it together.
May your union be strong, guided by respect, patience, and love. May your journey together be filled with harmony.
Did you hear that? It's as if the words are wrapping around us.
Yes. I feel hope. Like we're truly ready for the life ahead.
As the priest's voice rises in sacred chant, time begins to blur. The temple fades, and memories unfold like petals in the wind. Linda and Dani laugh beneath a rain-soaked umbrella, their joy untouched by the storm, hearts aligned. Then, a quiet moment. The temple where they first met.
Remember, blessings are only the beginning. It is your hearts that must carry them forward.
The couple walks out of the temple holding hands. Sunlight breaks through the trees.
I feel renewed.
Me too. It's like we've been given a second chance to start our story with hope.
Then let's promise, no matter what comes, we'll hold on to this moment.
Always.